Guys, today we are on another secret mission. That's why I have a big backpack full of equipment. We are now at this Labrador Park MRT station, and we are going to the Labrador Park. Okay. This area used to be called the Pasir Panjang Beach, and Pasir Panjang Beach in Malay is actually meaning long, so it's a long beach, very long beach. So let's start the journey to Labrador Park, and I really need some water.
I can't see the issue. Yeah, believe me, I need to keep myself in line, but I don't need to kiss you. Hey, we can make it tonight, baby, that's just fine. Don't know what I'm doing, feel like I am going crazy. Keep it down. You look good, you know it, I can tell you're soaking up all of it now.
Okay guys, when you actually come here, you will see on my left hand side, that's the fishing zone. On my right hand side, that's the non-fishing zone. So there's a center divider here with a red line. So once you, from that side, you are not allowed to fish. Once you cross over there, then you can fish. So now one of my legs is on each side, so that means I can my right hand cannot fish, but my left hand can fish. So yeah, so let's go fishing with my left hand only. Actually, I just have the whole person cross over. My whole person can go fishing already, right? Yeah. Okay, but I didn't bring a fishing rod, so I can only see people fish. Yep. So let's continue the journey. Let's go.
Listen to what I say, let's get to it, and we won't tell nobody. Yeah, we won't tell nobody. Hey, listen to what I say, let's get to it, and we won't tell nobody. Yeah, we won't tell nobody. We won't tell nobody. Yeah, we won't tell nobody.
Hey guys, so we are here taking some sunset shots. The place is actually very nice. The walk inside, the trail, all these, the beach. You can see the Sentosa over there, the Jurong Island over that side, and the whole entire the crane system, all these for those like cargo ship, all these. Very, very nice, and especially with the sunset. And we are really trying to catch a very nice sunset photo with the crane as the foreground. Trying to stay within like F11, ISO 100. See if I can really use a slow shutter speed to slow down the water. Yeah, so but anyway, this is the end of this video, so I hope you guys like it, and do like and subscribe our channel, and I'm sure we'll be doing more, so catch y'all